This video is for educational purposes only and is not intended to replace professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. What if you're eating the right seeds, but at the wrong time? Most people spend years trying to choose the healthiest seeds, but almost nobody asks a much more important question. When should you eat seeds? Should chia really be eaten in the morning? Are pumpkin seeds better later in the day? And is eating seeds at night actually a mistake? Welcome back to the Mindhunters. Today we're putting 6 of the most popular seeds to the test. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly when to eat them for maximum nutrition. So, first up, chia seeds. If there were one seed that truly belongs in the morning, this is it. Why? Because chia does something unique before your body even absorbs it. Once soaked, it forms a thick gel. That gel slows digestion, helping you stay full longer. Human clinical studies suggest chia can also increase overall fiber intake. 1 tablespoon is usually enough. Mix it into yogurt, oatmeal, or a smoothie. One important warning: never eat large amounts of dry chia seeds. Always soak them first. Next up, flax seeds. This one surprises a lot of people. The biggest mistake isn't eating it at night, it's eating it whole. Whole flax seeds often pass through your digestive system almost unchanged. Grinding them allows your body to absorb far more of the omega-3 fats, fiber, and lignans inside. Breakfast or lunch is usually the best fit because it's easy to add to oatmeal, yogurt, or smoothies. 1 tablespoon is plenty. Now let's talk about hemp seeds. Unlike most plant foods, hemp provides all 9 essential amino acids. That makes it a complete protein. Combined with healthy fats, it delivers steady energy without feeling heavy. That's why lunch is where hemp hearts really shine. Sprinkle 2 to 3 tablespoons over salads or grain bowls. And despite the name, hemp hearts won't make you high. Food-grade hemp contains only trace amounts of THC. Now for one of America's favorite snacks, pumpkin seeds. Most people know they're rich in magnesium, but that's only part of the story. They're also packed with protein, zinc, iron, and healthy fats. A small handful makes an excellent afternoon snack. Some people soak pumpkin seeds. Others roast them. Both are fine. Just avoid heavily salted varieties. What about sunflower seeds? They're one of the most commonly eaten seeds worldwide, and for good reason. They're an excellent source of vitamin E, healthy unsaturated fats, and selenium. That combination makes them another great afternoon snack. Aim for about 1 ounce and choose dry roasted or unsalted whenever possible. Finally, sesame seeds. These tiny seeds contain unique plant compounds called lignans. Scientists are studying them for their potential role in supporting heart and metabolic health. Sesame also provides calcium, copper, and healthy fats. 1 tablespoon sprinkled over vegetables, soups, salads, or whole grain dishes is an easy way to include them at dinner. And yes, tahini counts too. So, here's what an ideal day could look like. You can use this as a simple reference. Now, here's the big picture. No single seed does everything. Each one has its own strength. Together, they create a much more balanced nutritional pattern than relying on just one. One last thing. More isn't always better. Seeds are rich in fiber and calories. Increasing your intake too quickly may cause bloating or digestive discomfort. So perfect timing is helpful, but consistency matters far more. If this video changed the way you think about seeds, tell us in the comments. And if you enjoyed this science-backed comparison, give this video a like and subscribe to the Mindhunters for more nutrition videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.